Here's something interesting. Let's just let the birds over here play with them. Oh, did you get it? You didn't. You didn't see him. Going after that piece of cookie right there. Aww. There he goes. Oh, the seagull came in and got it. Let's try one more time. Get it, bird. Get it. Get it. Well, the seagull is just taking everything. Look at this. Wait a minute. Here we go. Okay, that one's to the seagull. Blackbird. Come on, blackbird. There he is, right there. Look at him. But the seagull's not gonna let him get it. He's too fast. Try to throw it to him. There we go. He's right there. Here we go. Bam. Oh, there goes the seagull again. They're fighting over it. There he goes. Takes off. I don't know. The seagull comes in. Oh, they're going over here, way over there somewhere. Seagull. There we go. One more time for the bird. Little blackbird. Yeah, there you get it. Get it. Hurry. Oh, see the seagull come in and swooped on it. Got it? Good. As it turns out, birds like chocolate chip cookies too. I don't think I have any more. And now he's mad. See? He took his cookie. They're gonna fight over it.
Honey, can we just throw away things there?
Stop talking to my video. Oh. Yeah. Alright, I'm done.